Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can change the hover effect, or how you can add the hover effect over your images or whatever in Shopify. So let's get right into it. Now for this, you're going to need to be adding custom CSS code. CSS is cascading style sheets, and that is a sort of markup language, I guess you could say, or it is a textual settings basically tool, which allows you to change the appearance of your HTML code. Now to change it, you need to go into online store, into themes, then next to the theme that you want to edit, click on these three buttons and click edit code, and then you're going to need to locate either styles.css or you're going to need to locate theme.css. Now I'm not sure where it is, so let me just search through it. So for example, style.css, and it should show the layout somewhere here. If it has it, and it looks like it doesn't, that or theme.css, whoops, it should look something like this, and I should find it. And as you can see, I can't find any sort of file in that same name. What you're going to do, if you don't have it, you're just going to create it. You're going to go into, I'm pretty sure, sections maybe, or config, or rather, I'm not particularly sure, but in one of these files, maybe even assets, yeah, in assets, there are CSS files here. But yeah, you're gonna search for a theme or style here, and if it doesn't have one, you're gonna add it. And once you add it and add the code that you find yourself, or that you code yourself, I won't be showing you how since I don't really know how to do that. You'll just add the hover effect code, which you can freely find out on the internet. I'm pretty sure there is tons and tons of material which you can use. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.